Have you ever watched a horror movie or a TV show such as The Walking Dead or The Purge, stuff like that, where you were just amazed by the makeup work that was conducted on set that you thought, dang, I really wish I had that talent and I could do it myself, for a Halloween party or special events like that? Well, my name is Kaylee Olguin, and today in my presentation, I will be discussing how to create a very realistic cut with only a few materials and very easy steps to create that realistic look. So the supplies needed is liquid latex, eyeshadow, fake blood, toilet paper, and scissors. For the liquid latex, you would have to really do your research and make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients that are in it because very sensitive skin may not react right to it. And liquid latex is the best to compare to glue, or some places say you can do cornstarch and baking soda with some glue or water, stuff like that. I feel like liquid latex is the best because it's the stickiest and it goes really well with toilet paper. So with toilet paper, that's very price efficient. It's usually in your house already, so it's very easy to get. And for the fake blood, you can look it up for the Maron brand too. And for any of this stuff, you can just go to a Halloween store. You can look it up on Amazon. It's very easy to obtain these supplies. So steps to apply this material is first you need to apply the liquid latex to the part of your arm in whatever shape you would like, and then you need to get your toilet paper or tissue paper, whichever one, and you need to rip it into long, thin strips. And if it's 2-ply toilet paper, then I recommend splitting it in half so it's easier to work with. So after you've ripped your toilet paper, you want to apply your liquid latex with a brush or your finger, place the tissue paper or toilet paper on top, and repeat those steps 2 to 3 times. After you're done with that, you need to get your scissors and cut a hole right in the middle so you have 2 open flaps. And after you make your shape, you get to apply the eyeshadow. And with the eyeshadow, it's very plain and simple. They say, oh, use this very expensive palette or stuff like that. But I think any one really works as long as you like the pigment it has and it looks good, because you only need a few colors, just like your reds, your browns, because you want it to make it look like it's damaged tissue, not so clean. So it's a messy look. That's why they say it's easy, because you don't need to be clean or anything. You just have fun with it. So after you brush the eyeshadow around the edges and the middle, you can either use black eyeshadow or black face paint to put in the middle of it so it looks like it's a deep cut with some definition. For the fourth step, you're going to want to apply the blood. And there's different types of blood. There's a type where you can mix with water so it's more liquidy, like when you cut your finger, or there's a blood that's clotted. So when you just place it wherever, it looks like your blood has started to clot and it's all messed up. So it just gives it that more realistic look. And then when you apply it, there is a sponge also with little holes. It's like black. And you just have fun, go to town, and you place it wherever you want. Because remember, realistic, and if you really do get a cut, it's not going to be clean like that. It's just going to be messy. So they say, according to Instructionally Crafts, cuts are the easiest ones you can do because, like I have discussed through the previous slides, you only need a few materials, it's very cost efficient, and it's just fun. It takes really no time to do. And in the picture on my screen, it shows the different cuts if you use latex, if you use scar wax, or if you use silicone. So there's a few ways, but it really is the easiest. And for me, when I was reading Instructionally Crafts, I associated more with the latex because I just find it easier to work with, and to take everything off and clean, it is very easy. It all comes off in one peel, and you may need a few wipes just to remove the excess blood or any eyeshadow stuff. So yeah, that is my presentation, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned some new tricks for the next Halloween or any special events coming up. Thank you for listening and have a great night.